Hello everyone, and welcome back to my video. In this video, I will show you how to scrape the complete follower list of a competitor or any Instagram user. Additionally, you can also scrape the list of users who have engaged with or commented on any specific Instagram post. First, you need to get the username of the person whose data you want to scrape. Next, you navigate to the skin data function. You can see many feature options here. I'll show you how to get this person's follower list. Paste the username here. Select the skin follower list option. Choose an account to use as a resource, and click Start. You can see the results displayed. Next, I'll show you how to scrape engagements and comments on any post. You select the skin account comments function. Get the post link, choose an account to use as a resource, and click Start. The software operates completely automatically. To find out more details or to sign up to use the software, please contact me via WhatsApp, Telegram, or the registration link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.